Okay, clarinets, today I'm going to talk to you about your hand position and how to finger several of your notes. So going to start out, first of all, both your hands, crack, 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 two little duck hands here. You're going to basically be reaching around, kind of monster hands are. You're going to reach around the sides of the clarinet because I don't want you to touch the sides of the clarinet or cramp your hands up. Instead, you're going to keep your hands away from the sides of the clarinet. So what we're going to start out, first of all, let's put your left hand in the C shape, right? Your thumb is going to go on this thumb ring on the back of the clarinet. You're going to reach around the clarinet. Don't squish down and touch this side key. Reach around the clarinet and put your first finger in this first ring. Your second finger goes in the second ring, and the third finger, the third finger covers that third hole, all right? So you've got thumb, ring, ring, hole with that left hand. Let's do that again. Thumb, ring, ring, hole, right? Your right hand, make that same C shape. Your thumb goes under the thumb rest here, and you see I put a sticker there. Your thumb goes under the thumb rest, thumbnail, under the thumb rest. Then your first finger's in the ring, second finger in the ring, third finger in the ring. Now you don't curl up your fingers and try and cover those holes with the tips of your fingers. Instead, flatten out your fingers just a little bit. So you've got thumb, ring, ring, hole with the left hand. And the other hand, the right hand, you have ring, 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 right? Now, your lower pinky, the pinky on your right hand, what I'm going to have you do is you see this bottom inside pinky? You're going to be learning some notes with that pinky key right down here. So go ahead and add that. Once you've got that down, you've got all 6 of your fingers plus your thumb and your bottom pinky. I want you to then add in your top inside pinky. We're going to learn some notes with that one too. All right? So let's just do that. Put your thumb on. You've got thumb, ring, ring, hole. And on the bottom you have ring, ring, ring. The bottom inside pinky, now add the top inside pinky. All right? Now these are the notes you're going to say when you do that. All right, let's start at the top, and you're reaching around the sides of the clarinet. Remember this little sentence. Ernest dislikes cats. I don't know why. I like cats, but Ernest doesn't. So Ernest dislikes cats. And we're going to add fingers. Thumb in the first finger, Ernest. Add the second finger, dislikes, D. And then cats, C. And down here with the bottom hand, I want you to spell bag, but with a B flat. B flat, A, G. You're adding fingers. Do that again. B flat, A, G. So let's start at the top with Ernest. All right, ready, go. Ernest dislikes cats, bottom hand, B flat, A, G. Now instead of saying those words, I want you to say the letters E, D, C, the first letter of each of those words, then B flat, A, G. Ready, go. E, D, C, bottom hand, B flat, A, G. Do that again, ready, go. E, D, C, bottom hand, B flat, A, G. Now freeze right there, don't move. You're going to add that bottom inside pinky, that's F. Then add the top inside pinky, that's E. So now, do it from the beginning again. Ready? Go. E, D, C, bottom hand, B flat, A, G. Add the bottom inside pinky for F. Add the top inside pinky for E. Right? Now we're going to do something different. We're going to add what's called the register key. So you're going to cover your thumb hole and press down this key, your register key, at the same time, thumb and register. All right? Now we're going to add those same fingers, but now we've got different names. Spell bag, spell fed, and then I'm going to tell you those last two. All right, so thumb and register are on. First finger here, ready, spell. B, A, G, bottom hand, spell fed. F, E, D. Now add that bottom inside pinky, that note is C. Add that top inside pinky, that note is B. High C and high B. All right, let's do that again. Start at the top with the thumb and register, push down, then add your first finger for B and spell for me. Ready? Go. B, A, G, bottom hand, F, E, D. Add the bottom inside pinky for C. Add the top inside pinky for B. Last two keys I'm going to tell you about. This little teardrop shaped key, this is the A key, okay? Little teardrop A there. So that all by itself is A. If you add the register key to it, you get B flat. So let's do those two notes. Ready? Go. A, B flat. Do that again. A, B flat. Now, if you do just this side key, and see how I'm using this area between my knuckles, just the side key all by itself, that note is called G sharp or A flat. G sharp or A flat. All right, so let's do B flat, A, and G sharp. All right, so let's start with teardrop A. Ready? Go. A, add the register, gives you B flat. Now the side key by itself is G sharp or A flat. While we're here, thumb by itself, thumb alone. This is F. Thumb is F. Thumb is F. Thumb is F. Thumb by itself is F. Now, if you put your first finger down on the E key and lift up your thumb, that note is F sharp. So let's finger an E, thumb in one, lift up the thumb is F sharp. Do that again. E, lift up the thumb, F sharp. Do it again. E, now lift for F sharp. Thumb alone is F. Thumb alone is F. Okay? So those are some notes you can go ahead and review, learn those, and you've got most of the notes that you're going to be using this year on your clarinet. So practice this with me so that you get that memorized. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. Talk to you soon.